Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss about the contact section of the inbox component of the BotPenguin. On the left hand side you will find the inbox component, just click on that. Here we have different sections. In the inbox component, you can manage all the bot's conversations, you can manage all your orders, you can manage all your leads or contacts, and you can manage all your groups. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links of all of them are given in the description box below. You can check them out. Now let us discuss about the contact section. In this section, you will find all the users who have provided their email or phone number to us so that we can contact them in future. Here you can see some of the users have provided us their emails and some of the users have provided us their phone numbers and some of them have provided both of these. Here we have the column of the groups. That means we can assign any group to any of the user. You can assign them a group by clicking on this button. You can also create a group by clicking on this button, or you can assign them a group that you have already created. You can also assign multiple groups to a user. For example, you can see here the 3 groups are assigned to this particular user. Similarly, you can assign a status to their chat. You can also create your custom status by clicking on this button, or you can also assign them a status that you have already created. Similarly, you can assign them a tag by clicking on this button. For now, I am assigning this tag to this particular user, and you can take any action from these. That is, you can call the user or you can delete the information, and you can also copy the information for further use. From this option, you can filter the data based on your preferences like tags, bots, status or groups. To search any user, you can type their name, email or phone number here. You can also export the data by clicking on this button. The data will be downloaded to your system. You can also import the contacts by clicking on this button. If you want to know how to import contacts on the BotPenguin platform, the link for the video will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. And you can also add WhatsApp contact by clicking on this button. Here you will have to enter the name, email and phone number of the user and then click on the add contact. So that was all about the contact section of the inbox component. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.